Welcome to the Simple Dad DJI Pocket 3 tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to set the gimbal direction when you first turn on your DJI Pocket 3. So by default, when you first turn on your DJI Pocket 3 gimbal, it'll be facing away from you. So to change this so it faces you, you're going to first bring down the settings menu by swiping down. Now you're going to go ahead and tap on this settings icon. Here you're going to scroll down and find gimbal startup direction. As you can see, it's currently set to forward. So to change the gimbal direction, go ahead and choose backward and then tap X. Now turn off your gimbal. Now once you turn it back on, your DJI Pocket 3 will face you and you're ready to record your video. So again, as a recap, to change the direction of your DJI Pocket 3 gimbal, go ahead and bring down the menu by swiping down, tap on this settings icon. In this menu, you're looking for gimbal startup direction, tap on it. Here you can choose forward or backward, or you can use the last settings. And there you go, that is how to change your gimbal direction on your DJI Pocket 3 gimbal. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.